Hello. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Annette if you are new here. I post regular mom content, cleaning motivation, and I do a fair amount of hauls. Today I'm going to be unboxing what may or may not be my last FabFitFun box. I honest to God have no idea. I'm still kind of on the fence with how I feel about it. I'm almost done a full year of FabFitFun. If you do like me doing these unboxings, let me know down in the comments, and that may persuade me otherwise. But until then, let's see what is in this beauty. What a springful happy box. I've already eliminated the paper products. The one thing I did keep was these stickers because I like to put them on the outside of my iPad. And the spring ones are just really fun. I just need as much spring in my life right now as possible because I am so sick of winter. First thing I got was this market bag, which I am not going to use. One, this size is ridiculous. I'm not going to use this as a purse. I'm not going to use it as a shopping bag. This is just a stupid fucking size. This is my least favorite item probably in this box. I'm okay with everything else, but I thought I would start with a complaint, and this is stupid. I didn't get to choose this. This was chosen for me, so sorry FabFitFun, you know nothing about me, and this made me very displeased. The next thing I got are the off-brand face halos. Say hello. I've been wanting to try these for a very long time. I enjoy reusable things, so if these are in fact useful, I don't know, I've never used them anymore. I know that the face halos are really good, but I don't know about any other brands. I have to wash them first, but then we're going to try them out and see how that goes. I am really excited to use these. I do have quite a bit of makeup removers. I feel like the thing with this is that you don't need makeup remover, right? Or do you? Someone let me know down in the comments. I have no idea how to use these, and they did not come with instructions. Next thing I got that I'm pretty excited about, this was an item that I picked. The fuzzy slippers. I was really excited about these because we're going into spring summer. The slippers I have right now are a very warm knit pair. I wear them all the time, especially when I'm cleaning. But with the weather getting warmer, I don't want my feet to be that hot, and these are open. I got these in, I'm a size 8, and I got these in a medium large. That was the recommendation for size 8, but I will say that they're very big. And then we've got beauty products. There's a fair amount in here. Did I need any of this? This one I chose. This is the Gloss Modern Clean Luxury Hair Mask. I won't be using this anytime soon because I do still have 2 hair masks on the go. I'm still finishing that bamboo one, which I love. I'm gonna leave my other FabFitFun unboxings down below if you want to check those out. I did get the bamboo one in like my first box, in the fall box I believe, and I love it. It works so well. It makes my hair so gorgeous and so happy, and I actually am kind of upset to have to use another hair mask after that one, but I am gonna be repurchasing that bamboo one somehow, some way. I will find it. The Milk Makeup Watermelon Kit. So this came with the Milk Makeup Mask as well as the serum. I feel like I'll probably be using this a little more once we get into summer, and I don't really want to use a moisturizer as much because this is a moisturizing serum. So I'm very excited about that. Next, I got the famous black soap Sea Mud Deep Cleansing Bar. So basically more face wash. This is the Islands of Haley. It's peach champagne fragrance, and it does smell lovely. Absolutely lovely. I feel like the price of this, I'm never going to repurchase it, but it would be nice to use it at least, you know, while I have it. Then the last thing we have in my box, I will definitely use this because if you don't know, I'm a skincare specialist. I'm very, very, very into exfoliating all of the skin. This is a moisturizing hand scrub. I love just feeling like sand is rubbing all the skin off my body. I don't know. Some people hate it. Oh, it smells so good. Elderflower and raspberry. I don't even care what the price is of this. I'm probably going to repurchase it. That scent is worth it. The box is unboxed. My baby is awake now. So I'm going to have to see Crest out, and we will see you in the next one.